like that.
I want it flat right there in that shape. Get it hot right there. Get it hot where I want it to bend.
When the metal cools, then it holds the shape that it's been hammered into. Yeah, it's kind of smoky over here. Let's back up.